Mr. Speaker, we are dealing with a man who has no humanity on children.
No, Honorable Fatuma. Honorable Fatuma.
May I table?
Oh, no. Honorable Wanga, get back to Honorable Wanga. Go back to your seat. Honorable Wanga, go back to your seat. Honorable Wanga. Honorable Gladys Wanga. Honorable Gladys Wanga. Sergeant at Arms. Honorable Wanga, get back to your seat. Go back to your seat. This is not I mean, what are you doing here? Surely. No. Let the Honorable Fatuma knows what it is that she has brought. Unless you are saying she took them from your house. Please, let's get over this matter. Honorable Fatuma. No point of order. Honorable Fatuma. Honorable Fatuma, just go on. Allow
Mr. Speaker, sir.
No. I'm not. Honorable Fatuma, can you just proceed and table the documents?
Mr. Speaker, with me here I have the document from Kenya National Lands Commission. And the point that was observed by NLC is that the Western Hotel is bona fide purchaser without a notice of any defect in the title. That the land at the time of valuation was overvalued. That Kenya Civil Aviation Authority lost an important asset in this case. That William Ruto, in his own words, accepted, and I have the link I have shared, that he has an interest and he owns Weston.
Table.
These documents of Kenya National Commission.
Table.
And I table
just table
the pictures.
Just table.
I have tabled.
Proceed. Honorable Junaid, I'm saying until she finishes. No. You people, we never came for this. Let her table the document.
Mr. Speaker, the third...
This is on Langata.
You have Langata and you have... Yes.
Then proceed to Taita Taveta. Proceed, Honorable Fatuma.
Okay, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the third...
Honorable Fatuma, please. You have two others. Honorable Fatuma. Honorable Fatuma. Order members.
1 minute of silence, Mr. Speaker, in honor of Muteshi.
Honor members, don't. This is not. Why you bring all this drama? Why you bring all this drama?
1 minute of silence.
You know? Honorable Fatuma. Honorable Fatuma, please. Honorable Fatuma.
Mr. Speaker, the third... Mr. Speaker, I wish to tell this House...